Ito yung anak ng pure white Kelso. Ang tatay nito, yes, white chocolate double banded, yes, WPC. Yan guys. Tsaka ito yung kapatid guys, quality yan guys, full months old. Tumig talapon guys, quality guys. Saka nito yung mga pullets guys. Mga ganda yan guys. Magandang height yan guys, quality. Tsaka ito yung nanay dyan, so pangalawang pisa na to guys. Yan, WPC guys, white Kelso. So ito yung kapatid guys, yung kapatid ng white Kelso guys. Yan guys, Kelso yan guys, quality. Ayan, mano pa yung buntot, bata pa. Tsaka ito yung tatay.